I got myself a new toy, and the first beneficiary is going to be garden disaster, so I better get after it. I don't have a ton of time today.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Long trees, broken roads.
I just finished cutting the grass, so it seems appropriate to do a little work on some lawn equipment. Well, I didn't finish cutting the grass, I finished for today. I have a lot of grass. Oh, how easy this is gonna come off. There we go. That might be part of why it ran so poorly. That was awfully loose. Hard to get at that one. There we go. Come on. That's pretty gross. Well, let's see if we can find some goodies in here. Oh boy. Oh boy. I want to break that. Oh man, that was tight. Holy. Someone thought their bowl was going to leak, I guess. Whew. Well, yeah, if you break the sealing washer, I suppose it might. Whoa! This thing was running. It was running. Wow. Well, I did want to give have a challenge here. So I guess we got one. I'm going to pop that out and dump this out, and we'll get to the next step. Come on. That actually looks surprisingly not bad. As does this, oddly enough. Well, on to the next step. And that is the next step. It's just a little 2-liter ultrasonic cleaner. I've wanted one for a long time. I finally pulled the trigger and got one, so let's see how it works. Ooh, it's actually quite warm already. That's nice. I've just got simple green in here. Is that gonna fit? How does that fit best? Like so. Yeah, that's probably the best. Can sit there. Get all the bits in here. Ta-da! I'm gonna fill it up with a bit more water, and then we'll get it cranking. Okay, that's up to the fill line. It's fairly warm. I might even make it a little hotter. This will go up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And go, well, 160. And give it the full half-hour cycle. See what happens. There's already stuff moving, so... Alright, we'll come back in half an hour and we'll see how it looks. Of course, that won't get on. Holy. Come on. Oh, that won't get on there either. Gee. That'll do.